I built this automated pet vaccination reminder for pet clinics to completely eliminate the manual work of tracking patient immunization schedules. And this was completely powered by this simple n8n workflow that you are seeing right here. And the workflow simply connected to your own Supabase account, and it will precisely calculate the pet vaccination dates. And this is the vaccination stage logic. So once the vaccine is due, it will automatically send a personalized WhatsApp reminder to pet parents who are eligible for the next vaccine. And if the pet parent simply gets annoyed by the messages, by the reminders that we are sending him in their busy schedule, all they have to do is just reply back with stop. So that we will simply stop sending them marketing reminders. So yeah, and also they can obviously, start getting the reminders by replying back start to. So this is a two-way process, and this workflow is built specifically for this purpose only. And this can be easily extended for automatically book the appointments and also, yeah, that's the system live. So I'm going to execute this particular workflow. So it will simply grabs these two tables and calculate whether the pet is eligible for the next vaccine or not, and whether the due date was very near within 3 days from now, so that it can send the early reminders to the pet parent. Okay, okay, perfect. It simply grabs the whole thing. So let's say if I simply get annoyed by this particular reminders and all, I just send a message stop, and that's it. So it simply put my profile on DND mode so that I won't receive these kind of updates or these kind of reminders from the pet clinic system. So, and we can simply reply back to start to simply get the reminders back. So this is a two-way process. Let me explain you how the data will flow from node to node, from beginning to the ending. So first of all, the workflow will run every single day at exactly at 11 a.m. server time. And after that, we will get the 3 days date from now, just for the comparison in the code node, whether the vaccination due date is nearby or not. And after that, we will get the pet vaccination records from the Supabase, and we will have this particular custom node, which simply validates the whole, you know, validates the whole thing, and it will sort out the nearby pet vaccination due profiles only, and we will be validate the whole eligibility with this particular node, which was given by the code node itself. And this is the evaluation stage logic, by the way. And after that, we will check whether the pet parent is on do not disturb mode or not. Okay. And if he is not on the do not disturb mode, then we are allowed to send him the reminders from our pet clinic, and the message will be completely personalized. Right now, currently, I simply use it a message research. But after that, you simply have to use the send template node, and instead of these particular placeholders, you have to be using your own placeholders. So yeah, that is the thing you need to do. Just for the demo purpose, for simplicity, I simply use the send message node. Just make a note. You simply have to use send template because we are making an outreach here. Okay. So apart from that, this second sub workflow will deals with whether the the pet parent was asking to stop the reminders, and if the pet parent wants to resume the reminders, he can also be replying with start. And if he simply sends stop, we will simply put his profile on DND so that no more reminders will be sent. So yeah, this particular automation system will only solve one particular scenario, but still it simply adds a lot of value and also lot of recurring customers, because you are simply adding a continuous automated outreach system here. So yeah, there will be a connection with your customers right here. So yeah, that's it for today.